Here's a myth. If it's not a residence, I don't need to cover the foam with a thermal barrier. Well, we just talked about foam is combustible, considered combustible by the building code. It will burn. It does produce smoke, although well within the range acceptable by the building code. So why wouldn't you want to cover it? It's an organic material that needs to be protected. You are responsible as a contractor to protect your occupants, to protect the building owner. It'll be cheaper if they don't cover it and don't protect it. That's true. But do you want that liability as a contractor? Do you want it as a building owner, as a homeowner in your workshop or your garage? You need to protect combustible elements from the potential for spark, for flame. Do so with a thermal barrier. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.